Greetings, this is Mark Anderson, Director of Nevada Industry Excellence, and today's video blog is on the 5 fallacies of lean manufacturing and the impact of culture on establishing continuous improvement in your organization. While working in manufacturing for the past 25 years, I've seen the good, bad, and ugly in lean implementations, and it's my hope to help you avoid the pitfalls that can lead to lean disaster. The first fallacy has to do with the role of lean tools. Some leaders lean on these tools so heavily that they completely ignore other key factors critical for establishing a lean organization. These leaders mistakenly believe that once you've learned the concepts of 5S, 8D problem solving, Kanban, one-piece flow, standardized work, tact time, and value stream mapping, to name a few, you just plug them into your organization and voila, you're lean. However, the reality is that successful lean starts with culture. If you don't get the culture right, lean tools will fail you in the long run and ironically can do more harm than good. We could devote books to what a lean culture looks like, but in short, it starts with realizing that people are by far your most important resource. The second fallacy is that lean manufacture is only about eliminating the 7 forms of waste of overproduction, inventory, waiting, transport and conveyance, unnecessary motion, overprocessing, and defects. This is the prevailing thought in most companies adopting lean, and that is why many of them fail. There is an 8th form of waste that, if not addressed, outweighs the other 7 forms of waste combined. That is the waste of unused employee creativity. It is critical that companies set up an environment that engages people to think, learn, innovate, and then rewards them for creatively utilizing all available tools to eliminate the 7 forms of waste. And that is not just a few lean experts deployed by top management. Everyone on the team plays an important role in continuous improvement, which brings us to our next fallacy. The mistaken notion that lean succeeds by confining efforts to a few Six Sigma heavy hitters who make large changes through Kaizen blitzes or events. This typically doesn't work because the foundation has not been built to sustain improvements. Once experts move on to the next improvements, gains crumble because those tasked with the daily work had no input into those improvements. In reality, effective lean involves everyone, particularly those closest to the process. Your operators know more than you about the daily issues with their processes, no matter how smart you are. Involve them in the improvement process. Things that look great on paper don't always jive with reality in manufacturing. Also, remember that Kaizen is not an event. It is a way of thinking and a lifelong commitment to continuous improvement. No matter how good we get, we can always get better. Adopting an inclusive culture of lifelong improvement gets us beyond temporary results to something more lasting. When everyone is engaged in making daily improvements in their work, no matter how small, we become unstoppable. This culture of hundreds of little improvements made every day becomes a competitive advantage. Fallacy 4 is the mistaken notion that for lean to work, you must have the latest and greatest technology. In reality, lean is about using what works, and you are better off going low-tech if that yields better results. If a computer screen distracts from a true understanding of work-in-process inventory accuracy, consider putting in whip racks at the point of use so operators can see the actual inventory situation with their own 2 eyes. It might just improve your inventory accuracy. That's not to say that technology is not vital to your company's success. However, consider working things out manually first, establishing discipline to follow processes, and then add technology in a stable, strategic way. This will ensure that that new piece of equipment adds to the bottom line instead of being discarded for the next high-tech magic bullet to solve your problems. Remember that today's competitive advantage in advanced equipment may be duplicated by competitors tomorrow. However, an engaged workforce constantly learning and finding ways to creatively use technology is an advantage that cannot be easily copied. Technology depreciates and becomes obsolete. People's value appreciates and will never become outdated as the most important factor in lean success. The last fallacy is a siloed view that lean is only for manufacturing, logistics, and quality departments, and that to achieve better overall performance, we need to focus on improving individual trouble spots. In reality, great manufacturing practices, but poor work in other areas like HR, sales, and finance will lead to lean failure in the long run. Also, improving a single area without considering the impact on linked processes may damage overall efficiency. If we improve throughput in one manufacturing process, but it causes a buildup of WIP in another area, we've just made defects harder to find and correct due to excess inventory. Our goal should be holistic and systemic continuous improvement. The lesson to be learned from all of this is that when you take lean tools and put them together with the right culture, your company will achieve sustained success. Eliminating the 7 wastes along with engaging employee creativity. Kaizen events by Six Sigma experts along with daily improvements by those closest to the process. Cutting-edge technology along with a philosophy of using it wisely. And reducing bottlenecks on the shop floor combined with systemic and holistic lean will give you a competitive advantage that's hard for others to duplicate. Here at Nevada Industry Excellence, we are uniquely positioned to help Nevada companies achieve that sustainable competitive advantage. Our industry-tested consultants will meet with you to conduct a free, no-obligation business assessment. Based on our findings, we can help you obtain grants and tax breaks to grow your business, provide lean and technical training and consulting, and help with implementing the newest in manufacturing technology, while also providing soft skills training and consulting in such areas as shop floor supervision, leadership development, succession planning, and employee retention, and provide critical guidance in every other area of your business. We also have the benefit of being directly linked into valuable resources throughout the state. We are part of the Nevada system of higher education, giving us access to all the resources of Nevada's 4-year colleges and community colleges throughout the state. We are managed through the University of Nevada Center for Research and Innovation, giving you access to some of the best research in the country, as well as experts in taking your ideas and turning them into a viable business. We also partner with the Governor's Office of Economic Development, giving us access to leaders throughout the state regarding your concerns and issues. And finally, we are a part of a national network of manufacturing extension partners with more than 50 centers nationwide. In short, by making one phone call to NevadaIE, you have access to a state and nationwide network of industry, education, and government experts whose sole mission is to help your business succeed. So contact us today at 775-784-1935 for your free business assessment. This has been Mark Anderson, Director of Nevada Industry Excellence, your go-to partner for business innovation, continuous improvement, and strategic growth. Thanks for listening and have a great day.